Haley, give it back to Arnold. Haley, that's not yours.
Melanie, I think one of your towels is on our patio.
Yeah, she is, because we were using it as a cushion.
Oh, I get it.
So I think can we swing a little bit, Mommy?
Okay, just a little bit.
Because my dad will come and get. Okay, here, Mel.
That's not yours, Haley.
Yeah, and Megan, she can.
Arnold wants his ball back, Haley. Haley.
Gentle.
Give the nice juicy ball back to Arnold.
Mommy, AC said no one he's being mean about it.
Really? Why don't you call Dad, see when he's coming home so we can have your cake? Gentle, Arnold.
Yeah, there you go.